Hello, music customers. We are working in Shahis, that near Afienya. Afienya also located in Greater Accra. Wherever they give us a call, our service is available across the country. The name is Steven Stone Design. We supply every types of natural stones across the country. Please, this video is very important, though. Don't skip this video, watch the video from beginning to end and learn something new, you see. So as for this contract, we are doing the front view from here to top, and this tier line like this, you see. That view, they no plaster that place, tier like this, you see, up to here, from top to down, neat one, you see. And here also, like here, where, but they are here too. Is it? Make it no. But if you join, you go be oh. No, but tell us me, I say, make you join. You understand me? Like this small place, you know, you understand me? So that if like they for do this small place, it not be anything. If you have to join. You see. Make it really think. Very neat work. You see, nice one. So whatever they give us, one thing about that, you say when they call us now, tell us how you want it, and we do the same thing for you. Pepper. So if you get the problem there, one thing we say, if you have a vision to lay a stones only under your building, please let the mason look, make they come and plaster their place to that level before you come and lay on our stones, you see. But if it's only a laying stones before you come and plaster, now the plaster will pour all the stones. You understand me? So that be I always saying that if you are going to lay the stones only under the building now, make them plaster their portion and leave the under for us, you see. But if in case that you are the one that going to lay the stone from top to some level now, it is possible. But if you be down now, make them plaster the top to level, so that come and lay on our stones under around, so that everything we will do, there will not be dirty on the stone, so that the stone will look so beautiful and neat for you, you see. So like that be the lesson for the day, you see. Do your plastering before we lay the stone under your building for you, so that when you have done, there will not be any dirty on the stones for you. Very neat one. Whatever a day, give us a call. Our is available across the country. Bye bye.